I'll show you how you can disconnect your AirPods. Currently, I have my AirPods connected to my phone, which is the AirPods Pro. And if I want to disconnect this, I can just go ahead, open up your settings, and tap this Albert AirPods Pro right there at the top. And then you can just scroll down and click on disconnect. So your AirPods should be disconnected to your phone, but to really disconnect it, you just have to put your AirPods into the case, and there is no other way to do that without putting it inside the case. If you really want to disconnect the AirPods, you can try forget this device, but you don't want that, so you just have to put it in the case. Disappear, or you can just turn off Bluetooth and it will just disappear, and turn on Bluetooth again and try to connect to the AirPods Pro. It wouldn't work because it's already in the case. It's disconnected, it's charging on the case, and that is how you can disconnect your own AirPods. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.